To introduce a product into an image in Caimera's Fluid tool, we use the Try-On feature. Here, the image on the left is our input image of a shirt, and the image on the right is the image generated. To add the product to the image, click on the Try-On button under the Shoot button. The auto-masking feature will automatically create a product mask. When the product mask loads, if it doesn't cover the whole garment, edit the mask using the brush tool. It's okay if the mask slightly covers the background, but don't make it too large or too precise. Check that your product is segmented correctly. When hovering over the product image, only the product should be visible. Parts of the background, model, or mannequin should not be visible when hovering over the product image. If this is not correct, manually edit the mask by clicking on the pen icon. Watch our video on easy product masking in Caimera for help. After verifying the product images, select a product image from the Try-On gallery with a pose that matches the pose and framing of the generated image. For example, when working with a front view image, select a front view product image. If it's a side view, choose a side view input image. Once satisfied with the mask and product image, click Shoot Try-On. Click Shoot Try-On a few times, as each click gives different results, and we can choose from several try-on layers. Once the mask is drawn, we can try other product images, keeping in mind that the selected product image should have a pose and framing similar to the generated image. All the try-on layers will appear here on the right of the image. To style another product in this image, make sure to be on a try-on layer that's most accurate. Click Try-On, and use the drop-down to choose another product to style in the image. Once the product mask loads, select the product image, click Shoot Try-On. When the try-on results are ready, use the Compare button to see which try-on layer works best and check product accuracy. Upscale the final layer to make it high resolution and add more details. Your products are now accurately introduced into the generated image.